If you're having trouble turning your online business into a super success, then I've got good news for you, because now you can download a free ebook on the 5 fundamental laws of success in the digital marketing revolution. It reveals the 5 laws that you must know to turn your online business into a rousing success. Here's just some of what you'll discover: how to find the right people for your product or service, what your product should do to attract customers, the type of products you should be selling and the ones to avoid, what your goal should be when developing your product, how to better understand how to improve your product, how to get the attention of your potential customers, how to get other people to help you promote your product, whether or not you should pay for advertising, how to move people from interested to purchasing, how to get your customers to help you grow your business, what to do when your business first becomes successful. Skip this step at your peril. This free ebook will only be available for a limited time, so please read it as soon as you can. Don't worry, it's short but very informative. To download this free ebook, click the link in the description.